In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. Now, whether you're setting up a new site or updating an existing one, a well-adjusted header can really make a big difference in both functionality and aesthetics. Let's dive right in and tackle this together. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. You can access this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you wish to edit. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar layout of your site's editor. Here, you can make all the changes you need to get your website looking and performing just right. Next, direct your attention to the header area of your site. You'll want to click directly on it. Doing so will select the header, allowing you to make specific modifications to this significant page element. You might notice a box appearing around the header, indicating that it's ready for some adjustments. Now, once you have the header selected, look for the Quick Edit option. Clicking on Quick Edit opens up a range of settings that you can adjust. This tool is incredibly handy for making fast tweaks to your header without needing to dive into more complex menus. It's perfect for both beginners and those looking for quick enhancements. Continuing on, you'll want to find and click on the Header Scroll settings. This will allow you to fine-tune how your header behaves when users scroll through your site. For example, you can choose to keep the header static at the top of the page or have it scroll away as users move further down. Each option has its benefits depending on your desired website functionality and user experience. After examining the scroll settings, go ahead and choose the one that best suits your needs. Perhaps you want the header to remain fixed for quick navigation, or maybe a disappearing header is more your style, giving users more screen space to appreciate your content. With just a few clicks, you can achieve your desired effect. Once the behavior is set, you might want to adjust the header's position. Use the arrow keys that appear when you select the header to nudge it up or down, finding that perfect spot for your site's unique design. You can also take this opportunity to resize or adjust any elements within the header. Maybe your logo needs centering, or your navigation menu could use a bit of spacing adjustment. Small tweaks can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. Finally, after you've made all these adjustments, it's crucial to click on the Preview button. This allows you to see exactly how your header and the rest of your site will function for visitors. It's always a good idea to preview your changes to ensure everything looks and performs as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Wix website header, making sure it's both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.